Have a joyful day, champs. Let us begin our today's English online class. Students, today we are going to start a very new topic, that is voices. Let us elaborate the heading first. Voices means the words that we use to express our feelings and expressions. Generally, what do we do when we have to express our feelings? We go with the words, and we all uses words, but in voices we also relate the way of expression. It voices deals with the way of the expression. हम किस तरह से अपनी बात को प्रेजेंट करते हैं, that relates to the term voices. So we see that there are two types of voices, active voice and the other one is passive voice. First, let us see active voice. In active voice, when a subject does something, it means the subject is at the dominant place. जो काम subject करता है. In passive voice, as the name itself indicating that when something is done by the subject, here also subject ही work को कर रहा है, but the sense is, the way of expression is completely changed. Here we are adding when something is done by the subject. It means कि subject is at the passive place, and in active voice the subject will remain active. Let us elaborate the topic further. In a sentence, generally we are having subject plus verb plus object. Let's go through an example. For example, here we are having active voice. Active, I eat banana. Now we are seeing that the work is done, the action is done by the subject. So the sentence is active. काम कौन कर रहा है? Subject. I eat banana. मैं banana खाती हूँ. Here we see that I is the subject and banana is the object. Now, in passive case, banana is eaten by me. Students, here only notice the places of subject and object. Leave the rest here. Now, in passive case, what do we see? That object has come at the first place. It means object has taken the place of the subject. The verbs will change according to the tenses that I will tell you later on. And the subject, here the subject has taken the place of the object by adding by. Here you have to understand only this fact that subject will become the object and object will become the subject. Is it okay? Let's go through the table. Here we are having subject and object table. So in order to convert these pronouns into their objective cases, what do? I will become me, we will convert into us, you, he, him, she, her, they, them. Have a look again. I will become me, we, us, you, he, him, she, her, you know it well, they, them. Class, today we are going to sort out simple present tense in regard of the term voices. So we see that in simple present tense, what do we have? We have subject plus first form plus s or es plus object. But in order to convert it into passive, this will come in the active phase. In active mode, we will go with the rules of the simple present tense. In order to convert active into passive, what do? As I have told you, that subject will become object and object will take the place of subject. So object will come here and subject will go at the last. And regarding this verb, first form plus s and es. Now we see that while looking at first form plus s and es, first we will come to know that this tense is simple present tense, and in order to change it into passive voice, we will go with the present tense also, we will go with the is, am, are according to the subject plus third form of the verb plus by plus subject. Again have a look, subject will become object and object will become subject, and the verb will be changed according to the tense. If we are having first form plus s and es, it will be converted into again present tense, but is, am, are will be added plus third form of the verb will be added plus by plus subject. Here again let's elaborate the concept that subject plus verb plus object. Object will take the place of subject and subject will take the place of object, and the verb will be changed according to the tense. Is it okay? Let's go through a few examples. For example, we see in active voice, she reads a book. She is a singular subject here, so in verb we are adding s, so it is indicating first form plus s and es, simple present tense. She reads a book. Now we are converting it into passive. Now this object, this is an object here, we see, we will mention it, a book is an object here, so we can write here object for more clarification. And she is the subject here, we know it well, she is the subject here. So we know that in voices, subject will take the place of object and object will take the place of subject. So she reads a book. A book is a object here. A book. Now we, according to the rule, this first form plus s and es will be converted into is, am, are plus third form of the verb. So a book, this is a singular subject. So what do? We will choose is. A book is third form of the verb read. Read, read, read. The spellings will be same. A book is read. We have to add by. By. She का क्या बन जाएगा? Her. She will become her. A book is read by her. Here we see that object has taken the place of subject. As I have shown you here, subject plus verb plus object, object will take the place of subject. Object बेटा subject के place पर आ जाएगा और subject ही बन जाएगा, and subject when it takes the place of object then it will become the object of the sentence. You can see here also, a book is read by her. Now the next example is active voice. They play hockey. They play hockey. वो हॉकी खेलते हैं. Now, in order to convert it into passive voice, we know that object will take the place of subject. Hockey will come at the first place. Hockey. Now we are seeing that here is only first form of the verb. It means the tense is simple present tense. And in simple present tense, we will convert into passive is, am, are plus third form of the verb. Hockey. Hockey is we are taking the single game. Hockey is played. Play, played, played. Hockey is played by whom? किसके द्वारा? By. They का क्या बन जाएगा? Them. They will be converted here. Them. Is it okay? They play hockey. Hockey is played by them. Let us go through another example. In active voice, we are having you write a letter. You write a letter. तुम एक letter लिखते हो. We see that you can also mention here you is the subject and a letter is the object here. A letter is the object here. Now, according to the rule, the object will take the place of the subject and will become the subject in passive case. A letter, now this is the subject. Now you will call this as a subject. A letter, single letter, singular subject is here. A letter is, now third form of write is write, wrote, written. A letter is written. लेटर लिखा जा गया है, किसने लिखा है? बाय यू. यू सब्जेक्ट विल, इन ऑब्जेक्टिव केस ऑल्सो इट विल रिमेन द सेम, यू का यू ही रहेगा. अ लेटर इज रिटन बाय यू. अगेन हैव अ लुक स्टूडेंट्स. Object has taken the place of subject and subject has taken the place of object, and the verb is changing according to the tense. This is simple present tense, so we use is/am are plus third form of the verb. Plus students, when the subject will come at last, we have to add the word by. Is it okay? In all the voices we have to add the word by before the object. Is it okay? I hope class that this interesting but easy concept is quite clear to you. Please go through it once again and try to convert active voice into passive voice by your own. Keep on practicing, keep on learning. Thank you class. Good.